Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Quizlet how to make flashcards. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Quizlet app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here on the bottom you'll be seeing a plus icon. Simply tap on that, and on tapping that you'll be provided with the option that says flashcard set. Simply tap on that. Now once you tap on that, here what you need to do is enter a title for your flashcard set, and then add terms, questions and definition answers, and then tap on add term, and then add a definition for each flashcard. Once you are done, tap on done or created to save your set. Now if you are using it from your desktop, what you need to do is log into your Quizlet account, then click on create button at the top left corner of the screen, and then choose create a new set. Add a title and description for your flashcard set, enter your terms, questions, topics, etc. in the left column and the definitions, answers in the right column. Then press enter after each term to add another card, then click create at the bottom to save your flashcard set. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.